5 best seeds that rebuild collagen naturally and give you youthful skin. These 5 exceptionally powerful seeds possess an inherent capacity to significantly boost your body's natural collagen production, actively contributing to the maintenance of remarkably smooth and radiantly glowing skin while simultaneously safeguarding your existing collagen against the detrimental processes of breakdown. Among these nutritional powerhouses, seed number 4 holds the potential to genuinely surprise you, as it represents a singular seed that is very likely overlooked in daily diets, despite its profound efficacy as one of the most potent collagen-boosting agents available from nature's pantry. Once you fully grasp and appreciate the astonishing array of benefits these seemingly tiny seeds can impart to the health and appearance of your skin, you will undoubtedly never again underestimate their profound impact or their vital importance in a comprehensive beauty regimen. The journey to understanding their incredible capabilities begins now, delving into the very essence of why seeds are considered so utterly crucial for the intricate process of collagen synthesis and preservation. Seeds are, in essence, nature's meticulously designed capsules of life, meticulously engineered by the plant kingdom to contain a dense concentration of vital nutrients necessary for growth and vitality. They are abundantly loaded with a diverse profile of essential amino acids, which are the fundamental building blocks of protein, healthy fats, including crucial omega fatty acids, a spectrum of indispensable minerals, and a robust arsenal of potent antioxidants. This precise combination of macronutrients and micronutrients provides exactly what your body requires to diligently build and continuously repair collagen and elastin, the 2 unequivocally essential proteins that form the very structural scaffolding of youthful, resilient, and supple skin. Just as a minuscule seed harbors the astonishing power to germinate and develop into a majestic, strong, and enduring plant, those identical, life-giving nutrients, when consumed, can profoundly assist your skin in its perpetual battle against the visible signs of wrinkles and actively work to slow down the overarching process of cellular aging, working diligently and effectively from the very inside out. Therefore, it is imperative to meticulously uncover the very best seeds you should consciously and consistently integrate into your daily diet to foster truly radiant skin and provide unwavering natural support for your body's inherent collagen production mechanisms. For those who may be contemplating where to source high-quality, impeccably clean, and organic seeds, trusted and recommended brands have been thoughtfully linked on Amazon within the description for your convenience, ensuring easy access to these vital superfoods. At the pinnacle of our list, occupying the esteemed position of number 1, we proudly present flax seeds. Flax seeds have, over time, earned the colloquial yet telling moniker of Botox seeds, a testament to their remarkable ability to help the skin maintain an exceptionally smooth and visibly youthful appearance. Their profound efficacy stems largely from their exceptional richness in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly the vital alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. This powerful compound is instrumental in actively reducing systemic inflammation, which is widely recognized as one of the most significant and insidious culprits behind the premature aging of the skin, contributing to everything from fine lines and wrinkles to loss of elasticity and uneven tone. Beyond their anti-inflammatory prowess, these tiny yet mighty seeds also contain lignans, which are unique polyphenolic compounds acting as powerful antioxidants. Lignans diligently work to combat the damaging effects of free radicals, unstable molecules that cause oxidative stress and accelerate cellular aging. Furthermore, flax seeds contribute a generous amount of dietary fiber, which is indispensable for supporting robust digestive health. An efficiently functioning digestive system is paramount, as it directly influences the body's ability to optimally absorb all these crucial nutrients, thereby maximizing their benefits for skin health. So the practical question then becomes, how precisely do you harness the full spectrum of their benefits? Herein lies a critical trick to their utilization. It is essential to consume them in their ground form, Whole flax seeds, due to their tough outer shell, frequently pass through the human digestive system largely undigested, meaning their valuable nutrients remain trapped and are therefore inaccessible to the body. A common and highly effective practice involves sprinkling freshly ground flax seeds generously over yogurt, blending them seamlessly into invigorating smoothies, or stirring them thoughtfully into warm bowls of oatmeal. It is important to heed a crucial cautionary note: avoid cooking ground flax seeds on high heat. The delicate omega-3 fatty acids are highly susceptible to heat degradation, which can damage their beneficial structure and diminish their potency. A highly practical and recommended tip is to consistently take 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds daily, ideally incorporated into your morning routine, perhaps with breakfast. This strategic timing ensures your body receives these essential building blocks for collagen synthesis precisely when its metabolic processes are most active and receptive to nutrient uptake, setting the stage for optimal skin repair and regeneration throughout the day. Securing the number 2 spot on our essential list, we have pumpkin seeds, affectionately dubbed the collagen repair kit for compelling reasons. Their profound designation stems from the fact that they are one of nature's richest and most concentrated sources of zinc. Zinc, in the intricate machinery of your skin's collagen engine, functions akin to a crucial spark plug. Without its adequate presence and catalytic action, the entire process of collagen synthesis and repair significantly slows down, leading to compromised skin integrity and accelerated aging. Scientific research unequivocally supports this critical role. One significant study published in the esteemed Journal of Nutrition, for instance, revealed a direct correlation between zinc deficiency and a marked reduction in the body's collagen production, underscoring just how absolutely crucial this trace mineral truly is for maintaining youthful and healthy skin. Furthermore, these diminutive green seeds are not merely a zinc powerhouse. They also generously supply vitamin E and a diverse array of flavonoids. These compounds act as a formidable shield, actively working to protect existing collagen fibers from environmental damage and oxidative stress. Complementing these protective agents, pumpkin seeds also provide a valuable spectrum of other essential minerals, including magnesium and selenium, both of which are fundamental in supporting overall skin repair mechanisms, promoting cellular turnover, and enhancing the skin's natural resilience against daily stresses. Incorporating them into your diet is delightfully simple. A common method is to casually toss a handful of raw or lightly toasted pumpkin seeds into fresh salads, adding a delightful crunch and a nutritional boost, or to mix them thoughtfully into homemade trail mixes for a convenient and healthy snack. However, it is strongly advised to bypass the heavily salted varieties, as an excessive intake of sodium can unfortunately counteract many of the beneficial effects, contributing to dehydration and potentially inflammation in the body. For an innovative and delectable way to enjoy them, consider blending pumpkin seeds into a vibrant pesto, transforming a savory meal into a tasty and potent collagen-boosting experience. For those seeking optimal purity and health, an organic and unsalted product has been conveniently linked in the description. Arriving at number 3, we uncover the marvel of chia seeds, aptly characterized as the skin hydration helpers. These remarkably versatile seeds were not just a passing dietary trend, but a vital staple for ancient civilizations, such as the Aztecs and Mayans, who recognized their inherent nutritional value. These small, lustrous black seeds are loaded with inflammation-calming omega-3s, which are essential for maintaining cellular health and reducing systemic inflammation that can visibly impact skin. They also provide a significant source of protein, crucial for the ongoing repair and regeneration of skin tissues, and contain zinc, which, as previously noted, plays a pivotal role in the proper formation and cross-linking of collagen fibers. What truly distinguishes chia seeds and elevates their status in the realm of skin health is their extraordinary ability to swell dramatically into a viscous, hydrophilic gel when immersed in liquid. This unique characteristic is not merely an interesting textural phenomenon. This gel possesses an exceptional capacity to lock in water, thereby delivering profound hydration to your skin, not topically, but internally, from the inside out. This deep cellular hydration contributes to skin that appears plumper, more supple, and remarkably resilient. Concurrently, the soluble fiber within chia seeds acts as a vital prebiotic, nourishing the beneficial bacteria residing in your gut. This thriving gut microbiome plays an increasingly recognized and indispensable role in maintaining overall skin health, influencing everything from inflammatory responses to nutrient assimilation. So how can one effectively integrate these tiny powerhouses into a daily routine? A popular and highly effective method involves soaking a tablespoon of chia seeds overnight in water. In the morning, a refreshing and nutrient-dense drink can be created by simply adding a squeeze of fresh lemon, offering a revitalizing start to the day. Alternatively, they can be stirred into yogurt, incorporated into oatmeal, or blended into your favorite smoothies, where they add a subtle thickening effect and a nutritional punch. If on occasion you find yourself forgetting to soak them the night prior, fret not. Allowing chia seeds to sit in liquid for a minimum of 20 minutes before consumption is generally sufficient. This duration allows enough time for the magical hydration process to truly commence, enabling the seeds to absorb water and activate their potent skin-benefiting properties. Taking its rightful place at number 4, a position that may indeed surprise many, we highlight watermelon seeds. Far from being a mere discardable byproduct of enjoying the refreshing fruit, watermelon seeds are, in fact, a truly hidden gem for comprehensive skin health, packed with an unexpected bounty of beneficial nutrients. These often overlooked seeds are densely packed with magnesium, zinc, protein, and iron, a powerful quartet of essential nutrients that your skin unequivocally adores and thrives upon. The importance of magnesium, for instance, cannot be overstated. Robust scientific inquiry has explicitly linked adequate magnesium levels to significantly improved skin barrier function, which is the skin's primary defense against environmental aggressors and moisture loss, as well as a noticeable reduction in the visible signs of dryness and irritation. Zinc, another critical component within watermelon seeds, plays a crucial role in regulating sebum production, effectively balancing the skin's oil output. This regulatory function is absolutely key for achieving and maintaining balanced, clear, and healthy-looking skin, preventing both excessive oiliness and uncomfortable dryness. Furthermore, watermelon seeds contain arginine, a vital amino acid that is a precursor to nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is known to support enhanced blood flow throughout the body, including the intricate network of capillaries that supply the skin. This improved circulation ensures that nutrients and oxygen reach your skin cells more efficiently, promoting cellular repair, regeneration, and a vibrant complexion. For consumption, a delightful approach is to lightly roast them at home. This simple preparation method transforms them into a delightfully crunchy and satisfying snack, enhancing their flavor profile. Consuming a small handful, approximately 2 tablespoons, a few times each week can provide a consistent supply of these skin-loving nutrients. As with other seeds, it is prudent to strictly avoid the heavily salted versions to prevent any counterproductive effects of excessive sodium. For those interested in a readily available, high-quality option, an organic brand has been conveniently linked within the description. Finally, rounding out our exceptional list at number 5, we introduce sunflower seeds, aptly named the Collagen Guardians. While they may appear deceptively simple in their unassuming form, sunflower seeds are, in reality, a nutritional treasure trove, particularly renowned for their exceptional abundance of vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful, fat-soluble antioxidant that plays an indispensable role in safeguarding collagen fibers from the insidious damage caused by oxidative stress. Oxidative stress, a major contributor to premature aging, occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and the body's ability to detoxify them. By neutralizing these harmful free radicals, vitamin E effectively protects the integrity and structure of collagen. Add to this potent mix the presence of selenium and zinc, and you create an incredibly synergistic trio of nutrients. Selenium, another powerful antioxidant, works alongside vitamin E to bolster the body's defense mechanisms against cellular damage, while zinc further supports collagen synthesis and skin repair. Together, these three elements diligently help the skin maintain its firmness, elasticity, and overall resilience against the forces of aging and environmental aggressors, contributing to a noticeably more youthful and vibrant complexion. Incorporating sunflower seeds into your daily diet is effortlessly simple and incredibly versatile. A common practice involves tossing a spoonful generously onto fresh salads, where they contribute a satisfying crunch and a boost of nutrients, or blending them into homemade energy bars for a convenient and sustained energy release. They are truly an all-in-one package, offering both delightful texture and essential nutrients in a single, convenient bite. One absolutely vital tip to preserve their remarkable nutritional value and prevent spoilage is to store sunflower seeds meticulously in an airtight jar, keeping them away from direct heat and bright light. Due to their rich content of natural unsaturated oils, sunflower seeds are particularly susceptible to going rancid quickly when exposed to air, heat, or light. Rancidity not only compromises their flavor, but also degrades the beneficial fatty acids, diminishing their health benefits. While each of these extraordinary seeds undeniably shines brightly on its own merits, offering a unique and compelling array of benefits for skin health, the true transformative magic genuinely unfolds and amplifies exponentially when you strategically combine them. Consider this holistic approach as crafting your very own bespoke collagen seed mix, a meticulously formulated blend that comprehensively addresses every conceivable angle of skin wellness, ranging from deep internal hydration and proactive inflammation reduction to robust protection against environmental damage and diligent cellular repair. To create this powerhouse blend, simply take equal parts of pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, watermelon seeds, and ground flax seeds. It is crucial to store this carefully prepared mix in an airtight jar. This not only preserves its freshness and potency, but also ensures it is readily accessible and prepared for seamless incorporation into your daily routine, eliminating any barriers to consistent use. The recommended daily intake for this potent blend is 2 to 3 tablespoons, which can be effortlessly added to a variety of foods such as cereals, yogurts, salads, or smoothies. It is important to remember to soak chia seeds separately, due to their unique gel-forming properties that require liquid interaction. By consistently integrating this thoughtfully designed seed mix into your diet, you provide your skin with a steady, uninterrupted stream of diverse collagen-friendly nutrients, nourishing it comprehensively and continuously without requiring constant deliberation or effort. This strategic approach ensures that your skin receives optimal support, promoting its natural ability to rebuild, repair, and protect itself, thereby fostering lasting youthfulness and an undeniable radiance. And there you have it, an eloquent exploration of 5 seemingly tiny seeds that possess the extraordinary capacity to make an unequivocally monumental and transformative difference for the health, appearance, and resilience of your skin. This deeper understanding empowers you to harness nature's wisdom for profound beauty from within.